Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay. Welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Offers for analyzing the major currency pairs as well as miners, gold, silver, copper, crude, US30, oil. So before we get into this analysis using Elliott wave theory, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully, and I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's move on to our watch list. So starts from DXY and with gold, and last week I didn't done that oil, so crude oil, so apologies for that, and this week we will do. And first of all I will explain about that US oil first itself, but market is not doing that much what we expecting, and it's striking in that correction part. So this is the one I'm expecting, so nothing else. So this is the WXYXYXZ. I'm expecting this one. So this is the one. It's a three-way structure. It's got completed. Now we are in the correction part. So this is looking like an sorry. This is looking like an irregular flat pattern I'm expecting. So only if it did like this, making this as a stop loss. If market did like this, you can make it this as a stop loss, go for the target of for that 88 to 89 like this. So if, because here it seems like already one three-way structure is got completed. We don't know whether this is the end of that structure, and it can do like this also. That is why we need to take this as a stop loss, and we need to take the trade here. Here it's the safest trade for that good risk reward. So market, if it comes to the 74, making this as a 70 as a stop loss and looking for the target of 88. So this is the one trade idea I'm expecting, because sometimes this could be the end of the trend also. How it did like the here, it's already more above the high, and it hit your stop loss and it came down well. So whether this is the end of that ABC like that, it could be here also. So that is why I'm not so sure about, and it is very tough to trade in this portion. Once that we are expecting the irregular flat pattern, market it won't do. Sometimes if you are not took the trade, and market will do as per our analysis. So that is the one. Here's a tricky one of the market. So let's move on the DXY. So it's still, it is from the last week itself, the market is not yet deciding whether it is going to be a bearish or it is going to be a bullish. So this is the undecision candles in that major support zone of 101.5 zone. It's already broken the previous low. It already took all the stop losses. So still I'm hoping that it will do 107. First target is 105 and the next target is 107. Then let me see how it moves, because I'm expecting such a kind of correction in this part. It's already came here, at least here for the, if it is a zigzag part, so we may get at least the 38.2 retracement of 105 like this, and one more low is available, and I'm expecting to the 94 here. So this is the pattern I am expecting. So if we are expecting this one, market will always do what we didn't expect, right? So it may do like this also. So that is what I explained last week, and this is the end of the correction, and market will go from here itself. It shoots, it won't do this pattern. This is the regular pattern. It's a regular flat pattern. So this could be the irregular flat pattern. So this could be either, this could be a running flat, or it could be a expanded flat. It can be anything. So trading in the correction part is a very tough, and we need to keep on watching whether the correction is got completed or not. That is why I am watching from the past week itself, from the nearly 1 month, right? I am expecting from here that correction part, and it failed, and from here I expected it failed. So now this is the one looking for. Here it looks like previous, also here it looks like. So now here it looks like. So I'm sure about this. This is the one. The market is the turning point here. It's losing that bearish momentum and looking for that bullish. So we have to wait for that. Anything before we confirmation, market will liquidate all the accounts. So it can do like this also. So wait for the pattern. That's it. And the Euro USD also the same. I'm looking for. This is the one I mark the trend line. So now the correction I need like this. After that it can do like this. Otherwise what it will do, it will fail like this, and after this one more high. So market, if it is a bullish momentum, it's very strong, it can do like this, and it may reach the 1.16. What is our target? That positional target. So if it fails to do like this, and there will be a correction is available for the longer term, nearly one or two, sorry, minimum is a 2 months I'm expecting. 2 to 3 months the correction, and again it may reach this zone 1.02. So how it will reach the 107 in the DXY, and the market can reach up to the 1.02 in the Euro USD. So GBP USD, 1 second. Same pattern. It's already broken the previous high. So that means it's looking like an irregular flat pattern. But if we looking for this, so this could be the end of the correction also. So this could be the end of the 5-way structure, and we can expect the bigger correction. So anyway, I'm looking only for the correction part. Wait for the market to turn to our analysis, to validate our analysis. That's the thing. I need simply, but sometimes what it will do, GBP USD, this could be the end of the correction also, and it will keep shooting like this. How we are expecting in the Euro USD. Like that in GBP USD also, it's keep graining here, and it will making the higher high, and it will reach the target of 1.36, right? I'm expecting for that 1.34 or 35 like this, and then I'm expecting the bigger downward movement. So USD JPY, it's struggling, still struggling in the major support zone. So I'm expecting that same correction. So everything I'm looking for the correction, and market, it's a turning point for me, I think so. That is why its market is struggling, keep struggling. How long? It's a 2 weeks, right? From here, look at this. The doji followed by the inverted hammers here in that daily chart. So if we are looking for that weekly, that same indecision candles in that major support zone. So I'm thinking it may bounce from here to at least 108. First target is 105, and the next target is 105.75, and the next target is 108 points. So if we measure at least here, the 38.2, it is been saying 106.5. So at least we can expect this as a first target. The second target is the 108. So next we can move for USD CAD. Same. This is the one correction part, one impulsive, and this is the one again I am expecting this one. So if the market it did like this, making this as a stop loss, need to be in buy side for the target about this one. You need to exit your position and wait for the watching this market, what kind of correction it is going to do. So it can do like this also, and immediately it can be in three-way structure. So that could be the irregular flat pattern, or it can do the correct triangle also here. And if USD CAD, if enter into the correction part, it may took this kind of corrections also. Look at this kind of corrections. Lot of times it struggled here, bigger corrections. So I'm expecting this kind of correction and one more impulsive wave. So one more impulsive wave, we have to wait for this. So what kind of correction it is going to do? But in every end of the three-way corrections, we need to be in buy side. So in my view, so this is not yet completed. So if you need to take a risk of making this as a stop loss, be in buy side for the target. So only there is no the bigger opportunity for the positional trade here. So only for the day or week need to hold the positions like this, making this a stop loss. Apply your strategy and create your trade plan, and then you go for that. That's the thing. And USD chef we already did, and USD chef, so everything it is in the diagonal pattern what I am expecting. And one more, I got the USD SGD. It's a very beautiful trade, and I am in buy from 1.310. From here I am in the buy side. So far it's nearly 25 pips is up. So let's wait for this. Because I took it this as a positional trade setup. I took it for the positional trade setup, at least for the shorter term. Because see, this is the one, it's a W or A. After this, I need to explain that is why. After this, whether this is an impulsive or three-way structure doesn't mind. And this is the one correction part. This is a one three-way structure. And exactly it did this. After this, I need an impulsive wave. From here also, I created the trade plan. But I just exited here itself. And after that it's looking like a correction part, so I didn't done anything. Once it reached here, again it fell down and it broke the low also. So now what I'm expecting here is this could be the A, so this could be the B, and this could be the C. So what means this is the W, this is the X, A, B and C is already completed in the irregular flat pattern here. So this is the three-way structure and this is the three-way structure. So and this could be the three-way structure also. So at that time what we need to do, so this is the one, the correction is got completed here. So then what we need to looking for, the next one is we are looking for this 1.16. so there is a chances here from here. So what we need to do, we need to apply. So it can do like this also, mind this. So then what we need to do, this is the X, again this could be the Y, what I did as a B, C. So this could be again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 also sometimes. Or if this is the W, this is the X, this could be the Y, this could be the X, this could be the A, B and C. Once it break the previous low, whether it is going to break this low, so this could be the Z wave, and from here also it is going to do like this. So my first target is this one. I'm looking for this, and we need to wait for this pattern and the wave formation here, whether it is going to be a very bullish, because if this is the one is W or A, this is the X or B, the end of the X or B. One second. Yeah, if this is the X or B, at least we need a one impulsive wave A, or this could be the C also. So C is a very fast moving and we can't catch, and in the pullback it will keep shooting like this, how it came in the downtrend. So from here also I looking for that, it could be a triangle. I already posted the trade plan also. So this could be the A, B, C, D, E. From here also there is a chances. So it failed now. If we make it this as a stop loss, that is why I just bought here and immediately I exited in the position here, because it's doing like a three-way structure here. And here it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it's got completed. So let's wait for that bullish momentum here. There is a chances whether it is going to be a bigger reward, or at least somewhat we can expect at 1.38 also here, this zone. So I'm keep on watching this one. And Australian dollar. This is exactly the three-way structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the ABC is a ABC is a B, and C is already got completed. And this is definitely the resistance zone. I'm looking for the correction. So everything I'm looking for the correction. So there is no much movement in the market, and it is all keep struggling here. So in this also I'm expecting the correction. Everything I'm looking for the corrections only. Um, there's not deep looking into this everything. I'm looking for this kind of at least one more down. So it will took 1 or 2 months also. So the New Zealand CAD also same pattern. This is the one impulsive, and we are in the correction part. Previous I thought this could be the correction part on impulsive, but this is looking like not the five-way structure. So still we are in the bigger correction part. So if it market New Zealand did like this, and one more high is also possible, so then this will become the correction part, and one more three-way structures to the downside. So New Zealand dollar is going to fell. That means, say, from here what we expecting this red mark to the downside, at that time New Zealand CAD also can do like this and one more high. So that is what I mark this as a red here, that flag. So I'm keep on watching this natural gas. I'm keep on watching this also here. One second. And one I informed the one group also regarding this. This is the one A. So this is a triangle as a B. So if we measure this A to the B, and exactly it is in the one, the same wavelength. So I'm expecting the bounce. So it seems like it's already turned. It seems this is the one, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be the ending diagonal pattern here in that C wave wedge formation. Here it seems like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It seems like this is a wedge formation. So we have to wait for this. It will do like this. So I'm waiting for this. So if on Monday, if it is breaks this one, I will be in buy side making this as a stop loss. Need to enter this trade. I'm expecting this kind of very bullish momentum here, because I already keep on watching this. I bought from here and I exited in the profit, and I already informed that. Here also I explained right here. It's looking like a three-way structure, and after that it's also five ways here, three-way structure, and it seems like here the end of the correction part. So somewhere I'm looking to buy. So it's not yet I did, right? So sorry. So what else? One second, we will looking for this. Yeah, USD chef. We can see that. USD chef. One second. Yeah, I already there. We are in that diagonal pattern. USD SGD also completed. New Zealand dollar also completed. New Zealand CAD also I did. So next we can move for one second. Euro New Zealand. 4 hour. So daily. So I'm looking for this. After this one. So this is looking like, one second, here it's looking like a three-way structure. Here it's looking like a three-way structure. So again this correction and one more impulsive wave, making this as a stop loss. If it nears here, may take this trade, going for the bigger reward. So next one is US30. Yes. So US30 also same plan. This is the one impulsive wave, correction and impulsive. So this is the A, this could be the B, this could be the B. So C1, so this could be the 2. I'm looking for the 3, 4 and 5. Later onwards only we come to know whether this is a B, C or 1, 2, 3. After that one more. So this will become the 5-way structure, means again what it will do, this is the W, this is the X, A and again B and C. So anyway I'm looking for this to reach the 23 mark. Until this we need to make this as a stop loss. So this one, this as a stop loss, because I kept this as an impulsive wave for that irregular flat pattern here. It's a ABC and looking for this one to the downside. So making this as a stop loss also is a wise advice, because this is an impulsive wave, strong impulsive wave, and looking like a 3-way structure here. So 1, 2, 3, perfect 3-way structure, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I already last week also I explained this. This could be the one more low. It's also possible, or from here it's already bounced. So if this could be the ABC, making this as a stop loss, it's a very good idea. So 1, 2, so looking for the 3, 4 and 5. So we don't know whether this is the A and this is the C. This is the A, B, C, or this could be 1, 2, 3 and again one more 4 and 5, bigger one. So this will keep coming to the downside, I'm expecting, right? So first stop loss is this one and the second stop loss is this one. So next one is S&P 500, and it is not at, once again, yeah, it is not at broken the previous high. So wait for this. So if it did, this is the one is impulsive, so this is the correction part and one more impulse. If it did one more high and if it breaks this one, immediately what it will do, it will do like this. So then this will become the correction part, A, B and C. So later on also I'm expecting for this. And what it will do, if we are expecting this market will do and go above the high, and immediately it will come to the downside. So this will be, this part will become the irregular flat pattern. So this is the pattern, and in Nifty also what I'm expecting, it's done previous exactly the same. Look at this. In S&P 500 market is going to the higher side. In Nifty it is coming to the downside. Look at this, there is no correlation between the global markets in Nifty, and I already explained that also, right? In S&P 500 we already retest this much from the previous high, it's already 50%, but in Nifty it's already created the new high also. So we are in that bullish trend only, it's not in bearish trend, it's a shorter term correction part I'm looking for in a global market also. So the US30 also same pattern, I'm looking only for the 24,000 here, but market can do like this, one more low. After this, from here it can break the high also, how I explained the S&P 500. Market will do like in Nifty also here, how it breaks above the previous high. It can do like this also in S&P 500 too. We are expecting to the downside, and market will create keep graining, and it will hit all the stop losses above the high, and immediately it will come to like this, how it's doing in that Nifty. So we finished S&P 500 also. Now it is in the Bitcoin market. It's struggling right now. It seems like 1 2 3 4 5 is already completed. So 1 2 3 4, and we are the fourth wave. One more high to the previous high of 25,000, and immediately I'm expecting for that, looking for that correction part. So whether this could be the end of the trend, that is why I already informed from here itself need to be in buy side, not in the sell side, because it's looking like all the three-way structures. I did already. This is also three-way structure. This is also the three-way structure. And here, if this is the three-way structure, and this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3. So this could be the end of the three-way structure also. So that means the W, X, Y, X, Z is already completed, and we are in the bigger correction part. So sometimes what it will happen, if this wave is a third wave, and one more three-way structures and one more high, so this will become the W, this will become X, and one more A, B, C. It can do like this also, but it is very strong. So we didn't know whether this is the C way also sometimes, because everything is in the three-way structure, right? So if this is the W, this is the X, this is the Y, so this could be the irregular flat pattern of X, and one more A, B, and C also. So this is not a trading advice here. There is no trade here. If it fell in the impulsive way, how this is on impulsive way, and one more impulsive way, and looking for the correction, and one more impulsive way to the downside, making this as a stop loss. That is the only we have to do. So next is Bitcoin and copper. Look at this. Same three-way structure. Wait for that to break, and it will do like this. So waiting for this. From here also there is a chances, and here also from here it can go like this and reach the resistance zone, and I'm expecting after that this one, the three-way structure. So bigger correction it is in there. So next is what else? Crude oil we already did. So now it's gold and silver, and we can complete. See this trend line, and same everything is in the last analysis. There's no much movement here. It's struggling to break this one. So what else you need? Making this as stop loss every time. If it is reaching this zone, we need to short this market. So it's a bigger correction. Look at this in the here also. Once again, I will hide all the drawings. Look at this, the same pattern here. So wait for this one. So whether it is going to do or not, can't say. So gold, look at this, 1950, and it seems like that ending diagonal pattern here. So whether if we did like this, how it here did what I'm expecting here, market failed, and I already shown that Australian JPY, it did like this. So until if it breaks like this, we can't do anything, but there is a chances whether it is going to reach here, or from here also it is going to downside, can't say. But if it did like this, making this as a stop loss, and looking for the sell side, I'm looking for only the sell side. At that time, this could be the ABC is a A, or this could be the ABC. Here it's a A, or 1 2 3 4 and 5. It is going to be, see, after the market completes the correction only we can label it, but we can predict the market. I'm expecting this. I'm not in sell side right from here. So we need to wait for the pattern to valid. If it breaks this trend line only, we need to enter. Otherwise, we need to make this as a stop loss. If you are an aggressive trader, you need to enter. So hope you enjoyed my analysis. So we will see you in the next week. Market is not moving much, so waiting for the 1 month candle to close. So if we are looking for that month candle, we are still in that same resistance or a support zone. So let's wait for the bounce or wait for the valid analysis. That's it. So I'm expecting the correction part. So how long it will take? At least minimum 2 months I'm expecting. Minimum this one. This candle I need at least 1 or 2 candles. So after the correction, let's wait for that to complete how that structure is going to do. So happy weekend to everybody, and we will see you in the next week. If the market it did like same thing, I want to do the next week, and we will see you in the next 15 after the 6 to 15 days. If it is very interesting, I will make a video on all that analysis. So thank you. See you all in the next week. Bye.